Here is my airflow rating before cleaning the coils. Prior to cleaning the coil, it's believed to be impacted with dirt. The blower's brand new. Alright, we'll shut it down. Speed controller, turn it off. I think it's just impacted with dirt that didn't have a filter on or had a caved in filter for a long time. So try to do the best I can for this. Is no good at go. So it's either I'm going to blow it and create a dust storm or a wet cleaning. Turn the power off. So you cannot see through there. You don't see the back end of the box or nothing. It's just impacted with dirt. Alright, just in case I don't want to get the motor wet. Like that, pull this box out. Darn good chance we're gonna have leaks and have to get to a bigger project, and I don't want to go there. So my attempt now do a wet cleaning. if I get it wet. If I blow it with air pressure, I shouldn't have an explosion of dust. So maybe I'll do that. Alright, so I'm going to get a wet vac or some towels, whatever. Start picking this up before I make a mess. I'm still not seeing through it.
And what do you think? Will it work?
Can't see an improvement. I'm going to go ahead and continue wet cleaning and blowing out, and then crank up the fan. That's about all I can do with this. All you can do is all you can do. By the way, my name is Tom, and I'm a facilities maintenance tech. Well, let's continue. As long as I keep the motor dry, I don't care. Oh, my secret soap is palm olive in hot water. The reason why we have supplemental heat in here is because we're in northern Illinois and we need the freeze protection. There's 2 concealed fire suppression heads, sprinkler system in this vestibule. And without these heaters working, they for sure will burst during the winter. And we're on the 2nd floor, so this is why this piece of equipment is critical. Go put my air compressor away and then a little spray jug. And then we'll see if this helped or not. There's the portable air compressor I was using, and there's the, manual pump spray nozzle. They're mostly done dripping. Well, let's see if these efforts help. No, not a great improvement at all. I'm gonna have to try it again. More air pressure and pressure water sprayer or higher pressure.
O sea, yo tengo ahora mismo de cambiar un nombre a Down Spring.
And suction.
If you guessed it wasn't going to work, then you were right. This was a big fail. But there's always something to learn about a failure. I'll give it a go in the near future. I'm going to try some spray coil cleaner, no rinse.